Hello. So here are two acupoints that you can use to help you to get a better night's rest, to sleep better, to help you to overcome insomnia. I first learned acupressure when I took up a course way back in 2003. And previously, I was already interested in reflexology and acupressure way back in 1993 as a very young 15-year-old boy. But it wasn't until I took the course in 2003 that I learned plenty more techniques and ideas on how to help one another through acupressure, reflexology, Swedish, and other types of massages. So here's are two acupoints that you can use to help yourself to relax, calm down, and get a better quality sleep. So the first point is called Shenmen. It's located in your hands, basically it's in your wrist, actually, just below, in line with your pinky, and just below, just along the crease of your wrist. Now where you see where my pointer is pointing, so just below where your wrist crease is. So the crease is over here. You bend your wrist a little bit slightly, you can feel the crease like a hollow area. So you press the area firmly so that you can feel the bone of the muscle underneath, and you press it for 2 to 3 minutes, circular motion, or just one constant pressure. I use my pointer to press firmly because my strength is actually my natural strength is strong enough to feel the bone of the muscle underneath. But you feel like you can't really press firm enough, you can use your thumb of the opposite hand and then you press deeply. So when you bend, remember when you bend your thumb at the first joint, you're putting firm pressure. When you release, it's light pressure. So firm pressure, light pressure. So for acupressure and reflexology, most of the time we put firmer pressure. So firm pressure, right in line with your pinky. Press firmly in. Sometimes when you press the points, you might feel a little bit of pain or a bit of uncomfortable feeling because you're pressing directly on a muscle or bone. So you probably will get that feeling. And it's fine that you can reduce the pressure slightly, but then constantly just hold on to that area. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes. And then release, and then you work on the other wrist. Okay, you go on your, just now I worked on my left wrist, now I work on my right wrist. Same, in line with your pinky, just the crease of your wrist. Press deep, firm in. Now for acupressure and reflexology massage techniques, we want to press firmly that we feel the bone or the muscle underneath. So you're not rubbing the surface of the skin. So you're not just rubbing the surface, but you are pressing firmly to feel the bone or the muscle underneath. But if you start to feel that it's a bit too painful or too uncomfortable, then you reduce the pressure, you increase the duration. So you reduce, instead of firm pressure, light pressure, then you increase the duration in order to maximize the effect. Okay, that's one. Second point is located in between your eyebrows. So it's the midpoint between your eyebrows, just above the bridge of the nose. It's called the yin tang point. So what you can do is you can use your pointer and thumb, and you put your pointer and thumb just in the middle of your forehead, just in between the eyebrows, and you just do circular firm motion. So circular firm pressure, doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, just firm pressure. Again, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you release after 2 to 3 minutes. You feel, wow, feels a bit more relaxed. You can do these 2 points while lying down. It's fine as well. If you feel comfortable doing it while lying down, just do it. And immediately after that, just close your eyes. you naturally feel calmness and you fall asleep better. Okay, so try these 2 points, just a recap. Okay, we have the Shenmen point, it's the crease of your wrist, and the Yin Chang point, just between the eyebrows. Remember, 2 to 3 minutes per point. You can try both points at one go. I can just choose one and do it. Any questions? Just drop me an email. Try out this technique. Share this technique with your friends and family or those who you feel might need help with this and can maybe get benefit from this technique. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.